In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Webex Chat. This is a helpful skill that enhances communication, making it easier to share resources with your team. Let's start by launching the Webex application on your device. You will see the familiar Webex interface appear, which is user-friendly and designed for seamless interaction. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the actions that follow. Having the application open ensures you can access all the features you'll need to add your link successfully. Once you see the Webex home screen, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, log in if prompted. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your username and password. This step is essential for accessing your account securely. If you do not see a login screen, that's okay. It means you are already logged in. As you enter your credentials, take a moment to double-check for accuracy. This little attention to detail can save you time later. Once logged in, you'll be directed back to the main interface. From here, you are set to join or create a meeting. Now click the Join a Meeting button or create a new one. If you are joining an existing meeting, you will need the meeting ID or link provided by your host. Alternatively, if you are setting up a new meeting, select the option to create one. This step is vital because it connects you with your team, allowing for real-time collaboration. You will see options for meeting settings and participants. Once you are in the meeting interface, you can proceed to the chat feature. After that, click the chat icon near the bottom right. This icon looks like a speech bubble and is typically easy to spot. When you select it, the chat panel will open, allowing you to communicate with others in the meeting. This feature is particularly useful for sharing information without interrupting the conversation. Once the chat panel is open, you are ready to format your message, which leads us to the next step. Next up, click the Format Text icon. This icon can enhance your message by allowing you to bold, italicize, or underline text. By clicking on it, you gain access to additional formatting options. This is important because it helps your message stand out, especially when sharing important links. Once you have clicked the Format Text icon, you will see a toolbar appear, providing you with various text formatting tools. With that ready, you can now insert your link. Moving on, click the link icon, which looks like a two-link chain loop, in the formatting toolbar directly below the message text input area. This icon allows you to add hyperlinks to your messages easily. Once you click on it, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the details for your link. This step is crucial because it enables you to transform plain text into clickable links, enhancing the utility of your chat messages. Now, add the word you want to use as the hyperlink text. This could be something descriptive like "click here" or "visit our website." The text you choose should give context to the link you are sharing. This is important because it informs the recipients about what they will find upon clicking the link. Once you have entered your desired text, you are ready to paste the URL. At this point, paste your full URL destination into the link box. Ensure that the URL is complete, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. This step is vital because an incomplete link will not function correctly. You want to provide your team with access to the right resource. Once pasted, take a moment to double-check the URL for accuracy. This small step greatly enhances the effectiveness of your communication. Finally, click Save or press Enter. This action confirms your link addition, making it live in the chat. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your link has been successfully added. By completing this step, you ensure that your teammates can access the information you've shared effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link in Webex Chat, enhancing the way you collaborate with your team.